I'm recording this video. Alright, I just got my car out Clear Lake Chrysler, and my car is not starting. They said they checked everything, the codes, and everything seems okay. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all an example of what my car is doing. Okay, I have my key in the car. Okay, my key in the car, so the sensor should pick up my key. Alright, I got my foot on the brakes, like it says, and foot on the brakes, and I'm pressing nothing. I'm tired of this car. This is the third time my car been in the shop. Somebody's gonna have to do something. I'm tired of getting stranded. I have to work, and I'm being threatened to lose my job if I don't have this problem resolved. This is a new car. I didn't have this car over a year. Somebody please help. Thank you. I'm going to try it again. Foot on the brakes. Okay. Pressing the button. Nothing. I just got my car out the shop.